Good top of the morning to you. Meteorologist Team Davison, the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com. Time to talk about the weather over the next couple of days. That would include some snowfall. Parts of New Jersey, Hudson Valley, New York, and so forth. So let's take temperatures now. We have temperatures in the lower 20s in most of the Appalachians, including Roanoke, up to Charlottesville. Cold also down there in the Pinelands, New Jersey at 30 degrees. Philadelphia, Trenton, New York City, all the way up with that snowpack really intertwined. You got even colder air. This cold air today will retreat and we'll start getting temperatures into the 40s for the most part in the Roanoke Valley, also up through the Delaware Valley where temperatures will rebound to the 40-degree mark. Temperatures in the eastern part of the state of Virginia look like to be into the 50s as the day goes through. And we get into Saturday, and as we get into Sunday, you can see we have colder temperatures moving in and a moderation in the south. As you see, warm air from the west comes in for Monday, and we'll be in the 60-degree mark here in the Roanoke Valley and up near 50 in the areas of the Philadelphia area. Temperatures will continue to warm up throughout the week. Tuesday, we're looking at a cold front coming from the north, and that will try to keep temperatures down into the 50s and suppress the warm air. We will see somewhat of a rebound to the 50s each afternoon before the next mild spree starts to push in. By the time we get to Friday, we'll be in the upper 60s throughout the Roanoke area, all Virginia, 65, 67, and then Philadelphia up in the 60s. And we continue that for Saturday as we look for temperatures in the upper 50s, lower 60s. For most of the area from the next cold front will come through next weekend. Taking a look at what we're going to see on the actual ground over the next 24 to 48 hours, you can see we have a system moving in, snow out and ahead of it because of the cold air that's in place. And this will move towards the Philadelphia region and overtake it early Saturday morning before rain changes over. So we may see some accumulation while this occurs. Northern New Jersey stays in the snow. As the cold air pushes back south, we may see some more snow in the Delaware Valley. So, as this low cranks up, and then we will see heavier snow along the Cape. As you see, this low is cranking up. So, when this thing bombs out, we could see some heavy snow along eastern Massachusetts and Rhode Island. Very little in the way of mix. And this thing is slowly moving, so it won't take that much to get a lot of snow. So let's take a look at the actual chance of how accumulations. So move this across, you can see not a whole lot to start with, maybe a half an inch. Upper Jersey, we're talking about 4 inches. Parts of the Lehigh Valley, we're talking about 4 inches. And then we start really getting the snow coming in, like I said, the Cape. And that area will be pushing heavier amounts. And we wound up with maybe an inch down in southern Jersey, a couple inches in northern Jersey. And then, like I said, the bombardment will be in the Cape of Massachusetts and parts of Rhode Island with the most snow. This will be a pretty sharp cutoff where that low is on who sees the snow, who doesn't. Before that was the NAM model. We're going to go through and throw the GFS model in here, and like I said, a little bit different. It gets a little bit more snow, maybe an inch and a half, to parts of Burlington County and Philadelphia. 3, 4 inches up there. But we get a little more snow in Connecticut and Massachusetts. And less, actually, along the Cape. So, 2 different models, 2 different variations. We have to watch to see what occurs. I'd probably lean towards the NAM a little bit more than I would lean towards the GFS at this time, but we'll see what happens. So, just be ready for a little bit of snow. Northern Jersey, parts of southern Jersey, up through Massachusetts. Delaware, the Roanoke Valley, we're not going to see any snow, so enjoy the rain and then the clearing temperatures and warm up next week. Meteorologist Dean Davison, The Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com. Thanks for watching and have a great St. Patrick's Day.